What is it, Jake?
This
Who's it from? Aunt Teresa and Uncle Tim?
Yeah.
Sweet!
What is it? We don't know yet. And I'm opening mine. I'm opening
Glow
mine.
explosion. What is it, Jake? It's a glow explosion.
I'm opening mine,
Look at
Dad.
that. It's going to glow. What'd you get, Frankie? Hold on. Let's see what Frankie got.
I'm opening mine. Yeah, got a 3D glow.
Oh, Frankie's opening his. Let's see what he's got.
I got a 3D.
A glow book. Sweet. Let me see your smile, Nick. Say.
Thank you.
Wow.
What'd Frankie get?
Here's my two.
You got two?
You want?
Sweet.
How nice.
How much is in it?
What is that one? Fun in the jungle?
Yeah.
What is it, Frankie?
How much is in it?
Let me see, Jake.
What is it?
How much is in it?
I don't know. What is it for?
GameStop.
Oh, sweet.
Wow.
But how much is in it?
Probably $1.50.
That's so cool.
What'd you get, Mommy?
I got some awesome food. Thanks,
Sweet.
you guys.
What'd you get, Harry?
Oh, those
Oh,
are
you're
adorable.
sad you
I
didn't get
love 'em.
nothing? That mean Aunt Teresa and Uncle Tim didn't send you nothing? Oh, you'll be okay. You must have been a bad dog.
Where's yours, honey? Here,
What,
let me
you got
get
some
you.
boots?
Look at you.
All right. I got it.
Careful, it might be breakable.
I got it. Sweet.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Woo-hoo. All right.
Dad, you made a huge mess.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tim and Trees.
Thanks.
Say Merry Christmas, Aunt Tim.
Merry
Christmas.